Yeah, mine. I just wanted to. I was going to add what I was going to say what the Councillor Bettenbach said, but on this note that Dems was indeed invited there. It was also other political issues that made them not to go from that particular office of those that are approving the trips. The problem is that, Chair, I think that this ICT is taking powers from our department. The MMC and you must look into this. These are the people that are working with radios. The ICT cannot decide that we're deciding what specs they must use. This particular department, disaster department, and EMPD, it's them that they must instruct the whoever that needs to procure whoever. These are the kind of radios that we need, not the ICT someone sitting somewhere there dealing with computer and say this one will then be best for this particular season for Men in Blue and Dems. I think that if the MMC and you can look into this. The ICT department cannot take control of of the equipment that our departments are using. It should then be them that are deciding and telling ICT that we need such equipment.
Thank you.